Welcome students, myself HK Patel. Today we are going to learn Manufacturing Engineering 2. This is a subject of Diploma Semester 4. આજે આપણે Diploma Semester 4 Mechanical Engineering માં Manufacturing Engineering 2 subject study કરવાના છે. Today we are going to learn Unit number 2, Basic Machine Tools 1, and our today's topic is Construction of Lathe Machine. આજે આપણે Unit number 2 study કરવાના છે અને એમાં આપણે Construction Lathe Machine નો અભ્યાસ કરીશું. So what are the today's objective? આજના objectives શું છે? To learn construction of lathe machine. Lathe machine ના અલગ-અલગ parts અને એનું construction નો અભ્યાસ કરવો.
Okay, students, we'll see the construction features of the lathe machine by this 3D model. So basically you can see these are the legs of lathe machine. So this portion of the lathe machine is known as the legs of lathe machine. So this portion of the machine are known as the legs of lathe machine. So over this legs there is a bed. So this whole portion is known as a bed of the machine. So there is a tray over here. This one is a tray on which the chips are fall. આ જે છે એ શું છે ટ્રે છે, મશીનિંગ થશે એટલે ચિપ્સ બધી અહીંયા પડશે. So over this bed there is a feed box. So this portion is known as a feed box. From this feed box there is a feed rod and lead screw. અહીંયા જે feed box છે જે એમાંથી આ બે વસ્તુ બહાર આવે છે. You can see these two. So one is a lead screw and another one is a feed rod. So what are the functions of these parts? We'll see afterwards. Just now we are just identifying the name of the parts. Okay, this hole is known as a apron. So there is a carriage and tool post, cross slides and all other parts are on this apron. Before that we'll see this one is a chuck. This one is known as a chuck. So there are 3 jaws above this. So the job can fitted over here. So this one is known as a 3-jaw chuck. This chuck is known as a 3-jaw chucks. And this whole assembly is known as a headstock. This whole assembly is known as a headstock. So there are some levers are given and clutch is also given. So what are the function? The function of this driving clutch is allow the rotation of this chuck. The rotation of the chuck can also reverse. It can be clockwise or anti-clockwise. જે chuckની rotation જે છે clockwise કે anti-clockwise પણ થઈ શકે. So in this portion, inside this box, there is a step pulley. Now what is the function of step pulley? So on the bottom of this portion there is an electric motor given, and by this electric motor the step pulleys are connected so that the varying speed can be achieved. अलग-अलग speed આપણે achieve કરી શકીએ છીએ. But it is the inside of this metal box, so we cannot see it here. Okay. So here you can see on this carriage there is one wheel which is used to slide this carriage in this direction, in longitudinal direction. Second thing, there is another wheel over here, this hand wheel, which is used for sliding in the perpendicular direction of the axis of the job. If job is fitted over here, the spindle axis of the axis like this, and this cross slide can slide over here. So it is also known as a cross slide hand wheel. So which will make this whole tool post which is mounted over this cross slide can move in this direction, perpendicular direction. Now second thing, this one is known as a tool post. This one is known as a tool post. So the tool can be fitted over here. આ જે જગ્યા છે બંનેની વચ્ચે એ જગ્યા પર આપણે શું ફિટ કરીએ છીએ? ટૂલ ફિટ કરીશું. The tool will be fitted over here. The single point cutting tool which are normally used in lathe machine can be fitted over here. Now second thing, this one is known as a tailstock. This whole assembly is known as a tailstock. Now this tailstock can slide over here. So there are some grooves are made in this assembly, and there are guideways provided on the bed. So this tailstock can slide over here. A tailstock જે છે એ શું થશે? અહીંયા slide થશે. So this portion is known as a dead center. This one is known as a dead center. So this dead center is used to support the job which is fitted on the chuck. આ chuck ઉપર જે job fit કરેલો હશે એ અહીંયા બીજી બાજુથી support કરવા માટે અહીંયા dead center છે. Now this whole assembly tailstock can be slide over here. So here you can see there is a slideways are given on which this whole assembly can slide. Second thing, there is a ramp clamp is given. So this clamp is given. So whenever you want to fix the tailstock at some position, you can clamp this by lever. આ lever દ્વારા આપણે એને શું કરી શકીએ છીએ? clamp કરી શકીએ છીએ. Now what is inside this box? આ headstock ની અંદર શું હશે? So there are some arrangements so that this spindle speed can be varied. Spindle ની speed તમે vary કરી શકો એ માટેની arrangement હશે. So what is the spindle? Spindle is simply a shaft which gives power to the chuck. Chuck ne power આપશે. So chuck is basically fitted on the spindle. Chuck શેની જોડે fit કરેલું છે? Spindle જોડે fit કરેલું છે. So these are the main function of this lathe machine. These are the constructional features which we have seen. Almost all parts are shown. This one is known as the emergency stop. Whenever you want to stop the machine, you can press this and the machine will immediately stop. So the main components we have already seen in this machine. કયા main components છે આપણે આ મશીનમાં જોઈ લીધા છે. So in next lecture we'll see one by one the function of all the components in detail.
So students, today we have learned the construction of lathe machine. Thank you.